Good afternoon. I'm just taking a break from working in the garden to bring you a wee DIY hack. In the past, an awful lot of my videos, the sound wasn't the best, and a whole lot of people remarked to me about that, and one in particular, flipinheck, said, you know, he couldn't hear what I was saying, so it spoilt the video. And I didn't pay an awful lot of attention to it at the time. But then, whenever you play the video back, you say to yourself, well, actually he's right. And wind noise was absolutely disastrous, you know. You got a few sentences and then you missed a sentence because of a gust of wind or whatever. And flipinheck was the guy who posted in to me about this, and he said all you need to do, or one way to cut the wind noise down considerably, won't cut it out altogether, is a DIY hack. All you need to do is get an old sponge and cut a wee piece out to provide a muffler, and you stick it over the video camera mic, and that's exactly what I have done there. Now I'm using the old video camera that I have used before. I got this one, so there it is, and this provides a muffler and cuts down hopefully on wind noise. Now the proof is in the pudding, and hopefully it will do that. So you might notice, hopefully you'll notice a bit of a change in the videos, the sound quality of the videos I make, especially if we're down at the seaside or something like that where the wind is blustery. Okay, and you can do this too whenever you're using your video camera. Locate where the mic is and create a muffler. And do you hear the chiff chaff in the background there? Chiff chaff, chiff chaff, chiff chaff. I've been trying to video with that boy for ages, and I just can't get him. Of course he turns up whenever I'm making a video about something else. So this is a makeshift muffler made out of an old sponge, the inside of a sponge. But your man's quite close. Where is he? Anyway, there's my DIY hack given to me by flipinheck.